दूर के सितारों से पहचान।
मेरा नाम है तस्लीम सिद्दीकी, मैं हूँ प्रेसिडेंट पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन एसोसिएशन ऑफ ग्रेटर ह्यूस्टन। मैं आप सबको, तमाम देखने वालों को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ इस यौम आज़ादी के मुबारक मौके पर। अल्लाह ताला आप सबको पाकिस्तान की तामीर और तरक्की में बढ़ चढ़ कर हिस्सा लेने की तौफीक अता फ़रमाए और अल्लाह ताला पाकिस्तान को बरोज़ तरक्की अता फ़रमाए। आप सबको मेरी तरफ से पाकिस्तान एसोसिएशन की एग्जीक्यूटिव की जानिब से दिली मुबारकबाद पेश होती।
जिस तरफ निकल आए दरिया पलट गए, राह के सभी कांटे रास्ते से हट गए। दूसरा इस तरह है कोई, पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम, पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम, पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम, पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम, तूने ऐसा किया है काम, पाकिस्तानी तुझे।
Thank you very much for that generous introduction, and thank you all. But first of all, let me thank and appreciate the Pakistan Greater Houston Society. Certainly, most importantly, the person who's clearly surrendered his slot for me to speak tonight, which is something that is really a big sacrifice, which he shouldn't have made. Our able, talented and dynamic Consul General, Mr. Akram. Big hand to him. But really, this was not required. You should have spoken. Everybody wants to hear you, and I hope you will continue to engage the community as you have been. I also want to thank his lovely wife, Mrs. Nadeem, who was at the airport today to see me. I've heard all sorts of good things about both of you. The community is, when the Pakistani community likes someone, that means that they've gone the extra mile. I know what it's like. So here's to you both, and here's to all of you. But I appreciate that you waited a while, and I do want to thank you for this extraordinary evening that you put together, for a lovely, entertaining slice of life from back home. It's extremely touching and heartening for those of us who represent Pakistan here in the United States, that this community still remembers Pakistan with such depth of emotion, that always, everywhere I go, and especially here tonight, you owe your allegiance to the United States, to the great country that you have settled in, but you remember your country of origin, which is Pakistan, my great country, that you remember fondly, that you identify with, and it is still very much, as I see this evening, brand Pakistan for you. So thank you once again for holding up the flag and the anthem of the motherland with such sincere devotion, and thank you for what you do as representatives of Pakistan, as a dynamic and vibrant diaspora that has made their names, and through the hard and challenging times, you have certainly come to this land of opportunity and freedom, but you have clearly made your mark, which is extremely worthy of merit and attention. And I do want to congratulate you for this testament to your integration in society, that you're able to call upon officials to assist you, but not just to do that, to fast and pray by your rules. So this is also something we need to be thankful to the plural model of the society for.